Well, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Got a little later start than I wanted. I'm heading out to on my first moose hunt ever. Wish it was for a bull, but I got a moose cow tag, which is a once in a lifetime tag. I've applied for over 30 years for a moose tag, and the last 2 years I figured, you know what, I want to shoot a moose. I want to kill something a little bit bigger with my bow, and so I applied for a cow tag, and that's what I have. And I have a friend that's south of town that has a moose that's been coming in, where he's got his tree stand set up. I don't know if I'm going to set up in his tree stand or I'm going to set up in my tree saddle. Hopefully I'm going to set up in my tree saddle. That's what I would like to do. I think I've never even killed a deer out of my tree saddle. I've been hunting for 3 years out of the tree saddle. This will be my 3rd year. But if I could kill a moose out of my tree saddle, I'd be really, really happy. So I'm excited about this morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's just breaking daylight. The moose has been coming in the middle of the day, so I'm going to go in. He's told me where to go to find it. Hopefully I don't have too much of a struggle finding it. And we'll see what happens. It'd be awesome if I could shoot a moose out of a tree saddle, because that'd be quite an accomplishment for me. Shoot the biggest animal I've ever shot, and also do it out of a tree saddle. So we'll see what ends up happening. Oh, nice good bed head I've got there going on too, but I don't think the moose will care. I shouldn't be shaking this bad. I've never shot anything that big. That was pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. I didn't expect to be that excited shooting a moose. A cow, I should say. But it's about 30 yards. She came right in, and then she acted like she was a little spooky. I couldn't get the other camera on her. I don't know if this camera got her or not, but pretty sure she went down about maybe 100 yards out there, and she never, I just saw her disappear into the corner, and I never saw any movement or anything, so pretty sure I have a dead moose. So hopefully the work begins here pretty quick. I am super excited. I just shot cow moose. Was right about there, about 30 yards. And this is the first thing I have ever shot out of my tree saddle, and I am thrilled. It took me a long time to get up here and get everything set up, but it was worth it. Hopefully she'll just be laying 100 yards out there, and we can start working on her. I gotta make some phone calls. I'm pretty excited. Guy's gonna be the first one, and it'll probably be Dad and a few other guys. Well, didn't get any pictures with the other camera, maybe a little bit. Shot my first moose out of a tree saddle. Actually, the first thing I've ever shot out of a tree saddle. Moose is standing right there. I measured out there about just outside the shed. It was about 34 yards, so I figured 30 there. She was quartering away. Put the pin on her, let her go. And then I'm going to take first animal out of a tree saddle, and I am pretty excited about it. Right here before she's out. Had to be right. There's some smashed down stuff. Figured I would see some blood right away. She was right over there. Well, we found the moose. Now we're going in with the trucks to start the work. It's going to be fun getting it out of here. Felling the corn probably 100, 150 yards. And we're going to be cutting it up into pieces and carrying it out a load at a time.